morning, sir. Where are you flying today?
Good morning, I'm flying to London.
Great. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Yes, you're on flight 202 to London. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m., gate 18B.
Perfect. Is that far from here?
Not too far, about a 10-minute walk. Just follow the blue signs.
Wonderful. Maybe I'll grab a coffee first.
Good idea. There's a cafe right after security. Oh, and remember to remove your laptop and liquids before the scan.
Got it. Laptop out, liquids separate.
Exactly. You're ready to go. Here's your boarding pass. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. You've been very kind.
My pleasure. Enjoy your trip.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Good morning. Here you go.
Thank you. What's the purpose of your trip to London?
I'm traveling for a short vacation, just 1 week,
I see. Where will you be staying?
with a friends near Hyde Park.
Do you have your friend's address?
Yes, right here. 22 Maple Street, London.
Thank you. How long will you be staying?
7 days. I'll return next Friday.
What do you do for work, Mr. Leo?
I'm a marketing consultant with a company in New York.
Have you visited the UK before?
Once, about 2 years ago.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
And do you have enough funds for your stay?
Yes, I have both cash and a travel card.
How much cash you are carrying?
I have only £300 and 500 US dollars.
Perfect. Have you ever overstayed a visa?
No, never.
Excellent. Everything is fine. Enjoy your stay in London.
Thank you so much.
Safe travels.
Good morning, sir. Please place your bags and laptop in a tray.
Sure. Do I need to remove my shoes?
Only if we ask. Any liquids or electronics?
Just a laptop and a water bottle.
The bottle should be empty, please.
No problem. I'll finish it now.
Great. Walk through when you're ready.
Oh, it beat.
Happens all the time. Empty your pockets, please.
Ah, my keys. Here we go.
Try again. Perfect. All clear now.
Excellent. Thanks.
You're good to go. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. You too.
Good afternoon, sir. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. You're in Group B. You may board now through gate 18B.
How long is the flight?
Around 7 hours. Dinner will be served after takeoff.
Great. I hope it's pasta.
You might be lucky. Please check the menu on board.
I will. Thanks for your help today.
My pleasure, sir. Enjoy your flight and your stay in London.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and safe travels.